Hey, 10635 here, and here's a really interesting item I'll be working on today. This is a DJ Duck. The company I think is Sonai Toys. I think this guy was made around like 90s or so, judging by the looks of it. Mix of like fabric and of course plastic. Really interesting. Where it's on 3C batteries. It's supposed to make sounds, light, and move, but this is all it currently does. The motor only runs, so that indicates that the motor shaft gear is split, but who knows if there is more issues with this because the sound isn't playing. Of course, my guess with the music, I mean not music, the light's not blinking is because this has a special mechanism, sorry about that, where it has like I think two pins, two little metal bits I think that hit each other. So when they hit, it lights up. When they open, they're off. So it has like kind of like blinking effect, just like what most old toys did. The sound and everything, I'm not too sure. Anyways, I'll keep y'all posted. So stay tuned to see how this guy turns out.